Hi everyone, in this video I would like to show how you can change the Play Store region, the Play Store country on basically any Android device. So first of all, you gotta open up the Play Store. Here tap on the icon of your profile, tap on settings, expand the general category, and here choose account and device preferences tab. And right here you'll see the country and profiles category, and in order to change the country or the region of your Play Store, you gotta just add the payment method of this country, either credit or debit card, PaySafe card or PayPal, and after that your region and your country will be successfully changed. Please note the fact that you can change the country of your Play Store not more often than once every year. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.